Hi, I'm Fabio and I'm from Italy. Nice to meet you. Currently, I'm studying MSc International Management at Imperial College Business School. Have you ever thought about what are you going to do after the university? Don't worry, after today's video, you're going to have a much clearer idea. Today, I'm going to share with you my personal experience about the career services of Imperial College Business School. So, there's a lot to cover and I will try to cover as much as possible. Let's get started. When I was applying for business schools, I put a lot of weight into their career services. After all, we want to ensure that we have a smooth transition from our university to our professional career. Imperial College Business Schools offers a very broad range of services to their students, even before the term starts. That gives you an early advantage. One of the services I like the most is the one-to-one career consultant appointments. You can request as many as you wish during your time at Imperial College Business School. The career team has many experienced consultants that are specialized in their own industries or geographic area. They can help you improve your CV and cover letter to maximize your success in your job application. Personally, I've booked more than 10 appointments during my first couple of months, and I find them extremely useful. Believe it or not, even though you have a very clear path in your mind, talking to brilliant consultants that can open you new paths that you might have overlooked before. The second type of service that I enjoy the most are the workshops. They can vary from small groups to big groups. They can be about networking, LinkedIn strategy, interview techniques, or just simply as presentation practices. The best part about workshops is not only you can get guidance for the consultants, but you can also compare yourself with your peers. Now you've done your research and you have your career planning done with the help of consultants, and you start applying for jobs. With the help of the workshop that help you refine your CV and cover letters, you successfully obtain the online test. With the resources offered by Imperial, you also ace your online test. Now you got an interview. So, what to do next? Don't worry, Imperial offers mock interviews. You can request as many mock interviews as you wish to help you prepare for your real interview, whether it's a case interview, a personal fit interview, or a technical interview. The career consultant will help you prepare for the interview, giving you feedback, assessing your performance, and helping you improve. Personally, I feel like performing under pressure to a career consultant mock interview really helps you improve your performance at the real interview. Well, nowadays, a lot of interviews are being on video, so you have to talk to a video camera. And Imperial also has online resources, online platforms that are powered by artificial intelligence that can analyze your body language and your performance in front of the camera. I find it very hard to talk to cameras. I don't know you, but I hope I'm doing well now. 2020 has been a rough year. 2021, no sign of getting better. However, during my studies here at Imperial, the career resources have helped me scope down my career goals, find out my true passion, and strengthen my soft skills required by potential employers, and hopefully help me find a job. There are a lot of other resources available for you, ranging from industry-specific workshops to employer events and so on. Well, for me, that sounds like a lot of things. So next is up to you.